Guys, why amantombazana ne bawasase fresh uwashele ne athi hayi you're not my type, I don't think will work ne kuhamba isikhathi maybe sengiyidoctor, a beautiful doctor, maybe something big into angicabanga ukuthi ngaba yiyo sekabuye sekalabantwana maybe babayi-5 or 6 sekathi yakhumbula Thokozo ngakubona vele ukuthi uyindoda orosti bakushashaya yazi amajidi ngelani ukuba yilima guys ngelani ukuba yilima kuyala majida la siLimpopo yabona because they take this retired slay queen, even amaZulu they do this retired slay queen, but ama slay queen basambhekile manje seyibhuji sase fresh basambhekile ulala madoda left and right safe sex tape kothi la iphela khona ke sethu ufuna uba isangoma sekana 30 years ngoba semncane manje usenjoy ibusha bakhe in 7 years time uzoba sakhathele into lezi zamali siLimpopo sikomota obani oshebeshithi sizomlanda sizomlanda ayizomlanda lento lezi manje sizomjojostela strong sizomchamela strong, you will pee on her ngiyakutshela bazomzalisa strong and bazomshada abanentala bazomshada athola ingane oluthi ahlale endlini. Yo, these girls abontiki mazwai cabanga ukuthi mazwai bozo advise abantu ukuthi about feminism, all these things. Feminism iyona emotion the whole country phela thina behlonishwa abantu besifazane dala bongayikhiphi girlfriend allowance back in the days. Umuntu osifazane bekazi ukuthi simo sendoda sinjani, bekazi ukuthi njoba usebenza kanje naye kuyancediswana ubeka iplate nami ngibeka iplate yabona kuyancediswana ukuthi baby singakwazi ukuthi singahlanza umholo wethu maybe sithenge stove this month, maybe sihlanza umholo then we buy a TV, maybe sihlanza umholo maybe sithenge ikhabethe whatever usiyahlanganisa whatever that is more that way you can sustain a good relationship. Now I circle onto le it's all about men must provide what? That's looking rubbish when they say that. Provide what? What are we providing? Inani provide ibele kuphela. And le bele has been sucked by a lot of guys. Le bele aliko fresh, not like we chichi. Yabona. Ngeke ngiprovide intombazana mina, ngeke isintombazana unless ichichi. Inelihle igcwele empu. Yeah, igcwele empu. Santombazana igcwele empu. Intombazana empty ngeke mfana ngeke. Ngeke uthenga into second hand ngemali enkulu ngeke. But marriage is a big thing phela. Yo umuntu uhlala nomuntu la phela bawushada umuntu onomntwana baby tell izola kavakasha la athi ngifuna ukubona umntanami thothi maybe awukho sometimes awukho maybe uhambile usemagigini athi baby tell afike la thothi awukho nabantu abekho ejardini bashana baphepana uvyasi bashana vele uvyasi kunabantu elibazali bazi if abantu bazana benqunu obviously it's very easy ukuthi baphinde futhi balalane because bayazana banqunu uyamazi umthetho ukuthi umela amthintephi uyazi ukuthi umela amthintephi ukuthi abe on umntana lo ngiyakutshela there's no way bangalalani nobaby daddy, there's no way guy yilala umba yilima lotshala labantu abanabantwana if untombazane ikwazi uzalela enye indoda without ukuzalela indoda ingamshadanga lo muntu is stupid enough to believe anything a man says. Ngiyakutshela nasi woman believe anything a man says as long as unemali bakubona unemali uzokuzalela abantwana abaningi kabi then uyamlahla then abuye azozo social media hey man a crash man what wena ilandile lo doti lo khuluma ngawo wena ulandile lo doti. Don't say men are crash. You first that crash wayilethe endlini. Manje suyasiblame manje ublame wonke amadoda. Hayi ngeke phela. Phansi ngale ndaba phansi. Ale GBV ngizokhuluma iGBV on my next video. Ngizokhuluma iGBV but woman indaba yeGBV ngiyabangenelela. Nqaba. I refuse. Kulokhu I refuse. Why so? Why are you like this? Subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button, like and share, yabo ivideo iya kubantu ya so